There, today I'm going to run through an SMS campaign using the RunGopher platform. So first, if we click on our campaign templates, you can see there's a few different options depending on what type of campaign you're running. There's the charities, general, marketing, and tax appeals. Today I'll be giving an example with the marketing. Again, there's a few more templates depending on what sort of campaign you're running, and I'll be showing you a registration with WebLink. So when you click on that, you can see in the diagram, it shows you how your campaign will run. So the first message that will be sent out saying who you are, your organization, that you have an event coming up, and seeing if they're interested. If they reply no, what message will be sent with the decline. If they reply yes, that's when your web link will come through. You don't want to put your web link in your original message, as this way it allows you to build some rapport with your participants. Now, if the participant hasn't clicked on it or responded within 24 hours, there'll be a follow-up message sent out. Same as if they haven't replied within 48 hours to your original message, there's a follow-up message also sent out. So up the top, this is where you're going to put your campaign name. And this is where you're going to put an email address for your company for if the participant responds with a message that the RunGopher platform can't understand, it's going to send it to this email address. You can then read over the message and reply, and your reply will be sent as SMS to that participant. So you then just need to click Create Draft, and your campaign is going to be created. We then go into the section where you can edit what those messages say that we saw in the diagram previously. Now just note, anything in the squiggly lines, you cannot change that. Don't delete or edit them at all. These will be auto-filled from your contact data. Anything in the angle brackets though, you do need to change. So you can put your name, edit, your company, and your event. Now remember, you'll need to change any angle brackets in all your messages. You can also change any of the other text, just not the squiggly line. So if you don't like what's in the template, feel free to change it. These just reflect all the messages in the diagram, the original message, the follow-up to the original, if they decline, if they accept with the web link, again, the follow-up, and wrong numbers or new numbers. Once you're happy with what's in each of those sections, you can go into the testing section. So this is where you will add your own number, and in this testing section, it will let you run, edit, and review the campaign. So once you're happy with it, that's when you'll go ahead and upload your contacts into the live section. So because I changed something, I'll need to click Update and go into the Add Contacts. In the Add Contacts, you can do each contact manually. We do need all of the information entered, or you can upload from the CSV. So we have the template. And this shows all the data we require. Once again, we need it all filled out. Now, contact ID, if you don't have one already for your participants, you can just put one, or else you can use the one that's already on your own list. And then the web link, so this is obviously the link that is going to be sent out. Okay, so once you have all your data entered, you can continue. And then you can upload it. And you can see your contacts have come across. If you want to remove any, just click on the cross. Once you're happy with your contacts, we can click Chat to this batch. And this means that your campaign is going to be going live. So once it's going live, it will go to the running window. If you open it up and you want to see how it's going, that's where it's underneath. And this is where we can see how many messages have been sent and replied to. So at the moment, I only had one number, so it's been sent to one person, and we haven't had any replies yet. Now, if I reply to that and refresh, we can now see that there is a reply and that they've accepted. If we go to manage conversations and chronological, we're going to get a more detailed report of how it's all going. So we have the contact's details again. We've had that the original one's been sent out, and then we can see if they've declined, accepted, or if they've actually clicked on the web link that we've sent out. And that is how you run your campaign using the RunGopher platform.